gigabyte read-only memory which can be expanded to a bigger memory. Siyempre, parang maraming apps, maraming memories, maraming moments na kumakuha.
Ayun, syempre, mahilig ka kasi mag-store ng mga, ano, di ba, sa phone.
Marami pa.
Sabi yun na siya sa di ba? Tapos pwede pa i-extend yun to one. Jasmine, ikaw na mag-host. How about you, Ruru? For you, what's your favorite? What's your favorite Oppo F3 feature?
Well, for me, I think Google selfie camera. Kasi, pag lang ako.
Parang pinag-work na siya.
Hindi kasi, ngayon yan, medyo malaking family ko. So, that's why, every time nag-selfie kami, nahihirapan kami, kailangan pa mag-selfie stick para lang, makunan lahat. So, ngayon hindi na. Gagamitin ko lang yung wide angle lens. Kuha-kuha na lang.
Oo. Actually, paborito yan ng marami, yung wide angle lens at yun nga eh, nakakapayat. So, ikaw naman, Joshua? So, ano nga favorite, Oppo F3 feature?
Gusto ko yung dual selfie camera and yung battery na naglalast ng matagal talaga.
Kasi, pang mahabaan.
Oo,
Pang forever, no?
Yes.
Oo.
Sino makatext mo lagi? Sana
Respect pa naman, di ba?
Ayun. Eto na talaga.
yung heart and the
Nagbabasagan tayo lahat dito eh.
Just agree with you yun kasi gusto ko matagal yung battery ng phone ko eh. Para hindi
Para ano? Ay, yung matagal na battery para pang months. Okay. So, how about you, Max?
Ako naman, beautify feature is my favorite. Kasi syempre, minsan tinatamad tayo mag-makeup, di ba? Like sa umaga, ayan, gusto ko mag-selfie and I still look good.
Actually, that's a very, very good feature. At hindi lang yung beautify. There are also various filters that you can work with.
Yeah, you can play around with it. But also, what I love about Beautify the most is it really does look like I'm wearing makeup, even though I'm not.
I can put blush on.
And my eye bags, nawawala yung eye bags ko. Kasi that's a big problem with my face. I have deep eye bags, and then nawawala when I take a picture through the Beautify feature.
And selfie any time of the day.
Selfie anytime of the day. Selfie ready.
Ready. Let's go to Jazz. How does the Oppo F3 redefine your groovy and selfie experience?
love life.
Love life ko guys, I'll proudly answer. Happy.
Yeah!
Hi, Jeff.
Hi babe. Amazing. No, what I love about the Oppo F3, I started using it, I transferred all my data on it, and the files all